True or false? Being kind to neighbors is good.
True.
Throwing trash anywhere is okay.
False.
Joining community events is important.
True.
Fighting with family shows cooperation.
False.
Helping parents is a good behavior.
True.
When working with others, you should A. Argue, B. Cooperate, C. Ignore.
Cooperate.
What do you show when you help your neighbors? Kindness, anger, laziness.
Kindness.
How should you behave during events? During events. Be respectful, be noisy, be rude.
Be respectful.
What is good example of community participation? Cleaning the park, throwing trash, breaking things.
Cleaning the park.
Why is it important to join community activities? To help others, to be lazy, to fight.
To help others.
What should you do during a community event? Join and help, stay at home always, make noise.
Join and help.
Which shows love for your
Wait
family?
until they stop.
Which shows love for your family? Disobeying, respect elders, being rude.
Respect elders.
When your parents ask for help, what should you do? Say no, help them, hide.
Help them.
How can you show cooperation with your family? Fight with them, share your toys, shout at them.
Share your toys.
What should you do to help your family at home? Play all day, help in cleaning, ignore chores.
Help them cleaning. Hi, today's...
Yes or no? Throwing trash in garbage bin. Throwing trash in the garbage bin, yes or no?
Yes.
Writing on the walls of a public restroom.
There you're drawing the...
Yeah.
No.
Waiting in line at the water fountain.
Waiting in line in the water fountain. Yes.
Breaking chairs in the waiting area.
Breaking? No.
Using the restroom properly and flushing up after use.
Yes.
Keeping the park clean.
Yes.
Stepping on plants in a public garden.
No.
Returning books to the proper place in the library.
Returning book? Yes.
Leaving trash on the floor in a bus or jeepney.
Leaving
Trash.
in a bus or jeepney?
Yeah, on the floor.
No.
Taking care of school desks and chairs.
Oh, yes.
What should you do when using public restroom? Leave it dirty, keep it clean, break things.
Keep it clean.
Why should we take care of public facilities? So others can also use them, to destroy them, to make them dirty.
So others can also use them.
We're almost done.
Allah.
When you see trash in the park, you should ignore it, throw it properly in the bin, spread it around.
Throw it properly in the bin.
In the library, you should be noisy, tear the books, be quiet and careful.
Be quiet and be careful.
When sitting on public chairs, you should jump on them, take care of them, break them.
Take care of them.
Write D if the action shows discipline. D if it's discipline. And D if not discipline. Following rules in a public place.
D.
Cleaning up your trash after using a place.
D.
Scribbling on public walls. Scribbling on public walls.
And D.
Waiting for your turn in a public facility. Waiting for your turn in a public facility.
D.
Damaging public property.
And D.
Is it properly?
And D. Wait.